Ciao Tesla people, there is a software update 2025.14.9. I just finished to download, took a bit. Let me check because my data on the phone was complaining about too much data. 5.2 gigabyte. That's a lot. Anyway, so let's start the installation. As usual, I'll start the installation and then I'll do a time lapse and then we'll go through the release notes. I think this time is only bug fixes and improvements. I know there is one undocumented change, but I have to check if I didn't mention it before. We'll see. It's about Sentry Mode. I have to check that. Anyway, the installation started. Hopefully it'll be fast. And then we'll go through the undocumented change that I think it was up to date and updated, and that's it. So I'll see you in a bit. So done the installation. Let's go to the software, and software is 2025.14.9. very cool. The release notes, yeah, it says this release contains minor bug fixes and improvements. Okay, that's the standard one. Okay, I'm sure there are some undocumented changes because the download was huge, was 5.2 gigabytes, so a lot. Anyway, I was checking the site nottesla.app.com, which I use all the time when I do this type of installation. Please, in the meantime, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, will help me a lot. So let's see if this undocumented change is the one that I don't remember mentioning before, but maybe I did, so it's not on this update, but let's mention it anyway. So if you go under controls, and under safety, there is this Sentry Mode option menu, and you can do Sentry Mode will not enable when you leave the car, if it's disabled, of course, but you can select this and auto enable Sentry Mode in park. So every time you park, it will be enabled by default. I think this is pretty cool, and yeah, that's it. So you can actually select this. So for example, if you select this, it will tell you which places you want to exclude. For example, I can say exclude home, exclude work, or exclude favorites. So the favorites are the one that you put in navigation, my guess. And you can, of course, enable Sentry Mode like this. Okay, there is the red dot. So pretty cool. I think I remember I mentioned it before, but I'm not 100% sure, so I wanted to check this. Anyway, I'm going to check online because this 2025.14.9 is pretty recent. So I'm sure there will be some undocumented changes coming out because the download was huge. So let's hope for new features. Anyway, check out my Tesla referral in the description. There is a link. If you buy a Tesla, use my referral, you can get a discount. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, share it, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, Tesla people.